Let's be real. Affiliate and online marketing can be tough. Many people watch endless videos, buy expensive courses, and still no results. Why? Because most people go at it alone. But what if you had a mentor, a system, and a community backing you up? The truth is, success in affiliate and online marketing isn't just about picking the right product. You need a real strategy, expert guidance, and a network of like-minded people to stay ahead. That's where QuoCentric comes in. We're more than just a platform. We're your partner in affiliate and online marketing success. With our cutting-edge system, proven strategies, and ability to build a thriving community, you'll never feel lost again. When you join QuoCentric, you get a step-by-step system designed for real results, personal mentorship from top marketers, a community of winners who support your journey, done-for-you tools to make scaling easier than ever. Imagine consistent sales and commissions hitting your account. Imagine having a team to guide you every step of the way. Imagine growing your income while helping others succeed. That's what QuoCentric is all about. Your success is our mission. If you're ready to stop struggling and start succeeding, QuoCentric is your answer. Click the link below to join the movement and take your affiliate business to the next level.